to stay informed and up to date on all of our latest developments. We highly encourage you to hit the subscribe button on our channel and give a thumbs up to our videos. This way, you'll never miss a beat and be able to stay in the loop on all of our latest updates and advancements. Binance, a well-known cryptocurrency exchange, will temporarily suspend all deposits and withdrawals on the Cardano network on the 14th of February due to the upcoming SECP standards for efficient cryptography update. This update will bring new built-in features to the smart contract programming platform Plutus, such as updates to cryptographic primitives and support for EXA and Schnorr format signatures. The aim is to optimize Plutus to make it easier for smart contract developers to create interoperable cross-chain applications. As per the information provided by Input Output Global, the parent company of Cardano, a large portion of staking pool operators, over 75%, are already running the required versions of nodes. Among the major exchanges, Binance is the only one that is fully prepared for the SEC update. Other exchanges, including Coinbase, are also in the process of preparing for the update.